Hello everyone. Fish farming has become an increasingly popular industry in recent years, and for good reason. Not only is it a lucrative business, but it also has the potential to provide food for a growing global population. In this video, we'll be exploring the basics of fish farming, including the different types of farming methods and the benefits and drawbacks of this industry. Firstly, let's talk about the different types of fish farming. There are two main types: freshwater and saltwater farming. Freshwater farming is typically done in ponds, lakes, and rivers, while saltwater farming takes place in oceans and bays. Other types of fish farming include intensive farming, which involves large tanks and recirculation systems, and semi-intensive farming, which uses smaller tanks and less intensive systems. Now, let's talk about the benefits of fish farming. One of the main benefits is that it can provide a steady supply of food for people around the world. In addition, fish farming can be done in a variety of locations, which means that it can help to reduce the need for food to be grown in areas that are not environmentally friendly or sustainable. However, there are also some drawbacks to fish farming. One of the main concerns is the potential for disease outbreaks. This is particularly true for fish that are farmed in large groups and closed systems. To combat this, farmers often use antibiotics and other medications, which can lead to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Another concern is the impact that fish farming can have on the environment. Many fish farms use the same water sources as nearby populations of fish, which can lead to pollution and other environmental issues. Additionally, the process of growing fish in tanks can be energy-intensive, which can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Despite these drawbacks, fish farming is an important industry that has the potential to provide food for a growing global population. As technology continues to improve, there are more sustainable and environmentally friendly ways to farm fish that can help to mitigate some of these concerns. In conclusion, fish farming is a growing industry that has the potential to provide food for a growing global population. While there are some drawbacks to this industry, such as the potential for disease outbreaks and environmental concerns, it is an important part of the global food supply chain. Thank you for watching.